Welcome to Tech Crumbs, where we break technology into smaller pieces. Today, I want to show you how to change the settings inside of video mode in your GoPro Hero 8. So very simple. You turn on your camera on the side with a charged battery for sure. And then when you're here on the main menu, which right now we are in picture. So let's swipe down so we can unlock. So unlock. Then we're going to go to video. So here in video. And let's say you want to change the settings of the custom one. So you go into custom, you press the little pencil on the right hand there. And now you can go to a resolution. Imagine I want to do 4K video and I want to choose more cinematic, 24 frames per second. And that should be good. So I press the on off and that will take me backwards. And now we're in 4K 24 frames per second. I can change the stabilization with hyper smooth. I can turn on clips. I can turn on Pro Tune. I can do everything that you see here. And you can even delete if you don't want that preset to be there. So that's basically how you edit them. If I want to edit activity, I can go in here. And then here I can change whatever I want. The lens, the low light, the Pro Tune, and all that. So that's when you can start playing with all the different modes just by tapping into the pencil. So yeah, that's how you change your settings inside the GoPro Hero 8. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.